Welcome to Teach Your Children ABC. Let's dive in and learn the alphabet from A to Z with our amazing flying animal friends. At the end of this video, I will show you the top 4 animals that have wings but can't fly. So stick around and let's start. Let's start with the letter A. It's the albatross. Albatross live in coastal and oceanic regions, spending most of their life flying over the sea. They eat fish, squid, and crustaceans. And for the letter B, it's the bat. Bats live in caves, trees, and man-made structures, often in colonies. They eat insects, fruit, nectar, and in some species, and sometimes meat. And for the letter C, it's the crow. Crows live in a variety of habitats, including forests, cities, and farmland. They eat omnivores. They consume fruits, insects, and seeds. And for the letter D, the dove. Doves live in woodlands, urban areas, and farmlands. They eat seeds, fruits, and plants. And for the letter E, it's an eagle. Eagles live in mountains, forests, and near large bodies of water. They eat fish, small mammals, and birds. And for the letter F, it's the falcon. Falcon live in cliffs, forests, and urban areas. They eat meats, rodents, and insects. And for the letter G, it's the gull. Gull live along coastlines, rivers, and inland bodies of water. They eat fish, insects, and human food waste. And for the letter H, it's the hummingbird. Hummingbird live in gardens, forests, and meadows. They eat nectar, insects, and spiders. And for the letter I, it's the ibis. Ibis live in wetlands, marshes, and coastal areas. They eat fish, insects, and crustaceans. And for the letter J, it's the jackdaw. Jackdaw live in forests, grasslands, and urban areas. They eat seeds, insects, and small vertebrates. And for the letter K, it's the kingfisher. Kingfisher live near rivers, lakes, and coastal waters. They eat fish, insects, and small amphibians. And for the letter L, it's the lark. Lark live in grasslands and open fields. They eat insects and seeds. And for the letter M, it's the macaw. Macaw live in rainforests, particularly in South America. They eat nuts, fruits, seeds, and leaves. And for the letter N, it's the nighthawk. Nighthawk live in forests, grasslands, and urban areas. They eat insects, mainly caught in flight. And for the letter O, it's an osprey. Osprey live near rivers, lakes, and coastal regions. They eat primarily fish. And for the letter P, it's the peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon live in mountainous regions, coastal cliffs, and urban areas. They eat meats. And for the letter Q, it's the quail. Quail live in grasslands, forests, and scrublands. They eat seeds, insects, and berries. And for the letter R, it's the raven. Raven live in a variety of habitats, including forests, mountains, and urban areas. They eat omnivores. They consume fruits, seeds, and carrion. And for the letter S, it's the sparrow. Sparrow live in urban areas, gardens, and grasslands. They eat seeds, grains, and insects. And for the letter T, it's the toucan. Toucan live in tropical rainforests. They eat fruits, insects, and small reptiles. And for the letter U, it's the umbrella bird. Umbrella bird live in tropical rainforests. They eat fruits and insects. And for the letter V, it's vulture. Vulture live in mountains, savannas, and deserts. They eat carrion and meats. And for the letter W, it's the woodpecker. Woodpecker live in forests and woodlands. They eat insects, tree sap, and fruits. And for the letter X, it's the xenops. Xenops live in tropical and subtropical forests of Central and South America. They eat insects, spiders, and small arthropods. And for the letter Y, it's the yellowhammer. Yellowhammer live in farmlands, hedgerows, and open woods. They eat seeds and insects. And for the letter Z, it's the zebrafinch. Zebrafinch live in grasslands and open forests, primarily in Australia. They eat seeds, fruits, and small insects. And here are top 4 animals that have wings but can't fly. Are you ready, little learners? Before we reveal those animals, we hope you enjoy and learn something on this videos. Click the like and subscribe button to continue watching more of our videos. Let's start! The first animals that have wings but can't fly is the penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they evolved to become excellent swimmers, with their wings adapted into flippers for underwater propulsion. They lost the ability to fly due to their aquatic lifestyle, where swimming is more advantageous for hunting fish and escaping marine predators. The second animals that have wings but can't fly is the ostrich. Ostriches are the largest and heaviest birds, and their massive size makes flight impossible. Their wings are small relative to their body size. Instead, ostriches have evolved to be excellent runners, using their strong legs to escape predators. And for the third animals that have wings but can't fly is the cassowary. Cassowaries have short, stubby wings that are insufficient for flight. Their dense bodies make flight impractical. They are adapted to dense forests, where they rely on their powerful legs for running and jumping through thick vegetation. And for the fourth animal that have wings but can't fly is the weka. Similar to other flightless birds in New Zealand, wekas evolved in an environment where there were few land predators before humans arrived. This made flight unnecessary for survival, and over time, they lost the ability to fly. Their wings became small and weak. Thank you for watching Teach Your Children ABC. Please click the subscribe button for more exciting videos. Happy learning!